So in this video, you'll learn how to match the system colors with your wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36, and A56. So if you want your system colors to be matching your wallpaper, it's fairly simple. Simply open the Settings app, then scroll and select Wallpaper and Style, and then tap on the option Color Palette. From here, tap on the toggle like that to enable it, and once enabled, you can even see a preview of how it would look like on your phone. So remember to tap on apply, and once you've done that, wait for the changes to be loaded. And once they've been loaded, you'll now notice when you navigate back to the home screen, you'll see that the wallpaper colors have been applied. So you can check this by accessing the quick settings menu. When you swipe down, you'll notice it switched from the default colors that it had previously to the same wallpaper colors that it's just chosen. So if you navigate through your phone and you look for any system colors that you had previously, you'll see they've been successfully customized. You can even go a step further by choosing which color palette you would want to use. So you can swipe through the different options under wallpaper colors, and you can see the different color palettes that are available for you to choose from, simply because they match with the wallpaper. You can also tap on basic colors and just create your own custom palette if you wish to. But because you're matching it with a wallpaper, simply stick to wallpaper colors. And with every selection, simply remember to tap on apply so that the changes are made onto your device. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.